Watch this video and learn how to draw a yummy bowl of cereal. Later in the show, Bunny Fluffington does a dance break. And watch to the end for one of Louie's shape breaks. Artie, are you ready?
Yeah!
Are you ready, little artists? It's Artie's show!
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Hello, Artie.
Hello. Welcome to Artie's show.
Artie, you know how much you love cereal?
Yeah?
Well, why don't we draw a bowl of cereal?
Whoa! This is gonna be awesome! Yeah! Whoa!
Hello, Artie and friends!
Good day, everyone! Are you ready to make some art? Let's hop to it!
Let's start by drawing our cereal bowl. A nice curve on the left, and then another curve on the right side. Our bowl's going to need a bottom, otherwise our cereal will fall out. We don't want cereal all over the floor. That's right, Artie. Add a bottom to the bowl.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you cut up, you can just press play. Wow, I can really sing!
Thanks, Barry. Okay, Artie, let's add a little base to the bottom of the bowl. Now let's draw the top rim of the bowl, a nice big sort of smiley shape all the way across. Let's add a couple of decorative stripes underneath. Copy that smiley curve shape underneath. That's it, and then another one just below.
This looks great! I'm not sure what it is yet.
You'll see soon, Bunny. Okay, Artie, let's add a little curve going towards the top, and then the same on the right side. Very good. Now, we're going to show that the bowl has a thickness. We're going to do that by copying that top shape just above. It's looking good.
I think we should have a dance break.
A dance break?
Yeah! Let's go have a dance break! Dance break, dance break, dance break.
Are you dancing, little artists?
These dance breaks sure make me happy.
Me too!
I mean, obviously, it's a 10.
Oh, that was a really fun dance break.
It was great. Should we carry on
Yeah.
with the drawing?
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Now it's time to add the cereal. Let's draw a circle, sort of more or less in the middle of the bowl, with a little circle inside. Another one on the left. Keep watching, because coming up is one of Louie's shape breaks. Let's add another circle on the right side. And now let's show a spoon sticking out of the bowl. A straight line, another straight line, and connect them at the top with a little half circle. Let's add a few more circles. Remember to draw a smaller circle inside of the main one. It looks like this drawing's really fun, Artie. You seem to be enjoying yourself.
Oh, I'm having so much fun. Woohoo!
Oh, I'm so pleased, Artie. We have fun just watching you draw. A few more circles just to fill in the space. Little cereals floating in the milk. I think that's enough circles inside the bowl, Artie. Now let's draw a big piece of cereal jumping out of the bowl. So a circle and then a much bigger circle around it. Oh, here's Bunny Fluffington. Hi, Bunny.
Hello, Artie.
Oh, hi, Bunny.
How's my favorite artist? I love that drawing. That looks so good.
Thank you.
Let's hop to it.
Okay.
Now let's draw a little face inside of our cereal. 2 little eyes and a mouth. This cereal is so excited, it's jumped out of the bowl. Let's add some little legs and little arms. That's it. Left leg, left arm, and right arm.
Oh, Artie wants shape break.
Oh, good idea. Let's have a shape break.
Yeah.
Is Louie ready?
Okay, Louie, shape break.
Hello, little artists, and welcome to today's shape break. My name's Louie, and today we're going to learn about this shape right here, the circle, one of my favourite shapes. In fact, 3 of my favourite things are circle-shaped. That's right, the sun, Oreo cookies, and donuts. Well, they are circles after all. Why are circles round? Well, they're too cool to be square. I don't know. What am I doing? I'm walking round in circles. Now, what did the triangle say to the circle? You're pointless. Pointless, see, because there's no... It's just... I tell you more jokes about circles, but it's just pointless. I'll go.
Oh, that was a good shape break. Artie learned a
We
lot.
learnt about circles.
Yeah.
Okay, let's finish our drawing.
Okay.
I think we should draw another circle jumping out of the bowl, but let's make this one even larger. Start with a circle. Let's add the eyes. 2 eyes, of course. And a little black dot in the centre of the eyes. That's it.
Look at Artie go! Wow!
Now let's add another larger circle around the outside. And don't forget the arms and legs. Once you add the arms and legs, it looks like our cereals are jumping out the bowl and going, wee! Wee!
Man, this is creative.
Artie is so talented.
Don't forget the legs. And Artie, let's add some action lines.
Action lines?
Yes, that's when you draw lines that sort of convey the action. We see that the movement of our piece of cereal jumping out the bowl is signified with the lines.
Oh. I'm finished. Ooh.
Wow, Artie, it looks so good.
Yeah.
Should we colour it in?
Yeah. Let's color it in.
Coloring it in is my favorite part.
Great job, Artie. I really love the colours.
Oh yeah, the colours look so nice.
They really do.
Yeah, Artie's very proud. Yeah.
Thanks for watching, little artists. Bunny wishes and carrot kisses. Mwah!
Have fun. See you next time. Marker out.
Thank you for watching the Artie Show. I hope you come and see us again really soon. Bye bye for now. Bye bye. Bye bye.